Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. I am Samar Bas with my groupmate Abdul Salam Abro, and today we are going to present presentation on literature review of Internet of Things and Big Data Analytics for healthcare system with cloud computing. So actually, this research paper is written by Dr. S. Sims. Uh, he's professor of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and the next author of this paper is Dr. Jennifer S. Raj. She is professor at Department of ECE, Gemini College of Technology. So, starting with the agenda of today's presentation, the agenda for the presentation is we will be starting with abstract, then introduction, and then we will be moving forward by explaining related work, proposed work, result and discussion, conclusion, and then finally references will be shown. So what is the abstract for this paper is this paper says that the paper presents the Internet of Things and the big data analytics for monitoring the patients in the rural areas to have an improved planning, decision making, and treatment with a reduced time and cost. So simply in simple words, if I tell what is the abstract, is that they have proposed a system that will be helping those who are living in the rural areas and are unable to reach the hospitals, and also those who are old age and unable to find the hospitals because they have limited resources in their area. So this system will help those people. What will be next happening, we will be discussing in the introduction section, and now I'm just continuing the abstract. So nowadays the devices are embedded to the internet connectivity, termed as Internet of Things, are constantly generating a monumental amount of information. These huge set of data produced are coined as big data. So the big data, the amount of data produced introduces complexity in analyzing and processing to extract the useful information from them. This leads to the arising of the big data analytics that remains helpful in extracting the useful information from the huge set of data available. The paper also represents the Internet of Things that are uh, bound with the big data analytics. So means they will be extracting the useful information by using big data analytics. So moving forward to introduction. So the introduction says that the medical industry generates a huge amount of information such as the inpatient out patient records, lab results, database management, and medical imaging, patient examining, doctor consultants, consultation, what patient monitoring, and etc. Means there are a lot of data that is being generated by the medical industries, and the these medical industries are generating big data. So, but nowadays, all the information of the patient is digitalized in order to acquire valuable data from the information recorded from the patient to enhance the quality of the medical services rendered as well as minimize the expense of treatment. The author Raghupati in this paper says that these huge volume of information acquired from the medical industry were identified with promising and supporting suggestions for a broader range of health and our health care functions with decision support, disease observation, and population with health management. So this is the flow chart of the system, that first sensor will be sensing that if there is any problem with the patient, means if the patient's blood pressure is too much high, then it will be sensing and data will be accused, and analytics will be performed using cloud computing, big data analytics. Then decision making will be happening, that what to do, what notification needs to be sent and where to send. So then value creation means the if created that where to request that patient is the in form of difficulty. For example, notification can be sent to the doctors as well as the family members that the patient is in the serious condition. So Then paper utilizes the Internet of Things and big data analytics for healthcare with cloud computing. That is the thing I was talking about. That cloud computing will also be included, as this paper says. Uh, means in cloud computing, data will be stored, and the info, that is the data which is the important, that will be means extracted out using big data analytics. So for monitoring the sickly in the rural areas and provide them with the timely suggestion that could enable them to improve the health system status. This paper actually is focusing, means completely focusing on those people who are means live in small towns and cities that are unable to reach to hospitals, and that's why. So moving towards the related work means this work that has already been done by someone else. These are some written references. Rassam et al. Means the article is about the survey. This article is about the survey on the generation of the huge amount of data sets from different field of the prevailing and he forthcoming analytics that could be applied on the big data sets. The second is Gandamani et al. Means Gandamani is the author, and there are some other authors. This paper documents the fundamental concepts related to the big data and presents the overview of the constitutes of the big data. So there are similarly many other papers, and so this paper also says that the metrics that provide the volume and the attributes of the big data along with the technologies that are available combine the potential of the big data. So some others are also there. Uh, Now I will request my group mate Abdul Salam to continue from here, from proposed work.
Thank you, Samar Abbas. Now let's talk about the proposed system of this literature review. Monitoring patient health in the rural area is not an easy task because in the rural areas, small villages within the limited facilities and facility of things and accessibility of physicians and the healthcare are very difficult in this area. So it was a problem for the patients who are aged and unable to travel. So in order to avoid such situation and come up with the timely suggested on the treatment for the disabled persons and the sicky persons, the proposed method combined the IoT and the big data analytics along with the cloud computing to design a system for overcoming these issues. So now let's see further the diagram of this system. So these are the different sensors attached with the body of patients to record the ECG. So what is the ECG? ECG records electrical activity generated by the heart muscles and which propagate the pulsating electrical waves towards the skin. So in the same way, you can see here different sensors are here, like EMG sensor, motion sensor which detect the motion, and the glucometer which measure the glucose level or the sugar level. In the same way, temperature sensor, and these all sensor collect the data from the sensor, and the after that, in the same way, the electrical analysis and the through communication gateway it was sent toward the primary health, and data is collected to the cloud and with the help of communication gateway, and this is gone towards the primary health center, which gone to the physicians, family, and emergency advisors or aides. So, and further we see the details. The proposed method gather the data of the patient using the separate sensor data fixed to the on the patient's body for monitoring of his ECG, heart rate, movement, blood pressure, and the temperature and the sugar level. These sensors use the sensing the patient information and enable with the internet of connectivity to transmit the data gathered to the smartphones or any other communication gateway to transfer the message sent to the cloud. So now we further see about the Mahout and its level. So what is the Mahout? So Mahout is an Apache project which use HDFS. So what is HDFS? Is a distributed file system. It handles large data and sets running on commodity hardware. So it is used to scale a single Apache Hadoop cluster to hundreds or even thousands of nodes. So further we see it is used for the processing and analyzing the valuable information and data gathered. This Mahout is interconnected with the S3 cloud storage solution, and for the storing of a huge amount of log files in distributed manner. Further, we see the cloud perform the analysis on a huge set of data gathered from the patient using a Mahout and extract the insight present in the data gathering and convey the information to the appropriate medical advisor, family, as well as medical aides in case of emergency. Now let's talk about the diagram which is shown here. So the below table shows the training data set observed from the cardiology section in the hospital used in the Mahout Apache. So further we see here the different characteristics and variations and the description of the system. So the proposed Mahout model of the IoT integration with the big data analytics utilizing the Mahout Apache enhanced observation association with the health of the public and enable to have a speedy response from the concerned person with valuable suggestion on the advice or the medication to be taken. So the identification of the essential equipments that are required for monitoring the health, delivering those services from the prevention measure, reduce the fatalities or the rural area, means it will reduce the if any problems occur, it will reduce and generate in a good form of training sets. So further we see the next diagram which shows the threshold level set for the sensor in monitoring the patient health to perform refining the data using a MapReduce. MapReduce is a method to reduce the risk of different things like we see here like a temperature. They set the levels and conditions for different health diseases like a temperature. If less than 98.5, it will show us a serious condition. If it is a 98.3 Fahrenheit normal, it will show the normal condition. If more than 98.3 Fahrenheit, it will show the serious condition. The same way, they define the blood pressure level. If less than 60%, 60, it will show the not serious. And if 60 to 140, it is moderate. If greater than 140, it shows the high blood pressure. In the same way that they define the rates of heart level, sugar level, movements, and so on. So now let's talk about further the Mahout. The Mahout, they define the input data observed from the sensor using the MapReduce, applies a machine learning algorithm. And so they, with the help of Mahout, they apply the machine learning algorithm to analyze the information gained from the patient. And it is trained with the training data set based on the age, like age of a patient and sex and chest pain, sugar level, heart rate, input heart, CSV, and output her model in different diseases like TEL, CA, NUM, and patient gathered from the cardiology section of the hospital and tested with the Mahout. And with the help of machine learning classifiers, they classify which model is the best and which will perform the in a best accuracy level. So now let's further we see the diagram which shows how the patients are the records of patients. So now we see in a further level like how can it will be performing well. Like it is explaining here. The diagram shows. So this diagram shows the observation information gathered from the cardiology section of the hospital about it will collect the data of 500 observation of the patient records from the rural areas and the predictability and patient accuracy and evaluation. Further latency in the provision of the services and the performance of IoT integrated with the help of big data analytics and the observers. And now we see in the next diagram we show the below diagram predict the predictability of the accuracy percentage of IoT integration, big data analytics in the healthcare monitoring and the services rendering in the patient in the rural areas. Like we can see here the predictions and accuracy measure of the patient, like how much percent is a prediction and accuracy, and these levels can be shown in this diagram. So now let's talk about the latency level. Latency in information gathering, transporting, and the analyzing the report back with the services from the physician of the different number of patient details sense, like number of patient, and they show the latency of the information gathering in the millisecond, and also show the latency information transfer. And then they talk about the latency analyzing and report which is generated from the latency. And then further, you can see here the discussions in the results and discussion. In the result and discussion, we see the differences of different peoples which they are done. And then in the last, we talk about the conclusion of this paper. So the main purpose of this project is to help the peoples who are in the villages, the main monitoring in the internet of with the help of Internet of Things and with the help of big data analytics for the patient monitoring in the rural areas. Concerning on the analyzing of the patient affected by the cardiac disease, means they mainly focus on the disease of cardiac disease with heart diseases, and it gathers the information using the sensor and transmit it over the internet with the help of cloud computing, and analytics is performed with the help of big data, and information are gathered in an S3 cloud and analyzing with the help of Mahout, which provide the MapReduce and summarize and give refining of the information, and with the help of machine learning and analyzing the information of diagnosis the severity of disease. And the further we see the evolution of the integrated IoT and big data analytics for the monitoring in the rural areas based on the record of 500 observation, like I show above the diagram how it's working, and which enhance the prediction and accuracy of the health monitoring, and it reduces the latency in the rendering of the service. It means it will give us this time suggestion in a very millisecond and in a few minutes of time. In future, in order to reduce further reduce the latency, and they will use analyze the for computing and the cloud network for analyzing and storing the respective lead. So that's all about today's presentation. Thanks.